Let me show you how to turn canned sardines into crispy golden bites with a rich tomato sauce. This budget-friendly recipe is simple, full of flavor, and works as a quick appetizer, party snack, or easy dinner.
First, let's make the tomato sauce. Take 4 to 5 cloves of garlic and mince them. I couldn't find my garlic mincer, so I'm just chopping them very finely instead. Keep the pieces small so they soften quickly and blend into the sauce. Next, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a frying pan and heat it over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add the minced garlic and stir it gently. Let it cook for about 30 seconds, just until it softens a little. Then add 1 teaspoon of paprika powder and give it a quick stir with the garlic. Then add 1 cup of tomato sauce and stir everything together until the sauce looks smooth and well mixed. If you use tomato paste instead, mix 3 tablespoons of tomato paste with about 6 tablespoons of water. Then add it to the pan and give it a good stir. Next, add 1 teaspoon of dried parsley and stir it into the tomato sauce. Let the sauce cook for another minute until it looks slightly thicker and well mixed. Then, turn off the heat and set it aside to cool a little. Next, take 2 cans of sardines. You can use sardines packed in water or sardines packed in oil, so just use whatever you already have at home. If you can choose, use a brand that usually has nice, larger sardines that are not broken up. Whole sardines work much better for this recipe because they are easier to handle, easier to coat later, and easier to fry without making a mess. Drain the sardines really well, but try to handle them very carefully so they stay in one piece. I like to leave them in a sieve for a minute so the extra liquid can drip off on its own. While the sardines are draining, take a mixing bowl and crack in 1 large egg. Then add salt to taste and black pepper to taste, and whisk everything together until the egg looks smooth and the seasoning is mixed in. In a separate bowl, add a 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and mix it well so the seasoning is evenly spread before coating the sardines. Next, take 2 plates and add a 1/4 cup of flour to one of them. Spread the flour out a little so it is easier to coat the sardines evenly. Now, carefully take 1 sardine at a time and place it into the flour. Handle it gently so it stays in one piece, then coat both sides with a light layer of flour. Shake off any extra flour so the coating does not get too thick. Next, dip the floured sardine into the egg mixture. Turn it gently so both sides are coated. Then let any extra egg drip back into the bowl before moving on. Next, place the sardine into the breadcrumb mixture. Gently sprinkle some breadcrumbs over the top of the sardine, then carefully turn it over and coat the other side too. Press very lightly so the breadcrumbs stick without breaking the sardine. Make sure it is evenly covered, then set it aside on a plate while you coat the rest. While I'm coating the rest of the sardines, hit the like button if you love easy recipes like this. And if you enjoy simple, budget-friendly meals that use everyday ingredients, make sure to subscribe and follow so you don't miss what I'm cooking next. Also, please let me know in the comments below where everyone is watching from. I really love seeing where you are all tuning in from, and it makes me so happy to know this recipe is reaching people in different places around the world. Okay, now, once all the sardines are nicely coated with breadcrumbs, take a frying pan and add enough oil to cover the bottom of the pan. Heat it over medium heat until the oil is hot and ready for frying. Carefully place the coated sardines into the hot oil, one at a time. Give them a little space in the pan so they can fry evenly and stay easy to turn. Fry the sardines on the first side for about 2 minutes until they look golden and crisp around the edges and the breadcrumb coating starts to firm up. Once that side is ready, use tongs to gently turn each sardine over, taking your time so the sardine stays in one piece and the coating does not come off. Fry the second side for about 2 more minutes until the second side turns golden too and feels a little crisp when you touch it with the tongs. Since the sardines are already cooked from the can, you don't need to worry about undercooking them. You are just crisping the outside and warming them through. If you didn't like sardines before, you are going to love this recipe. Sardines already have a rich, savory flavor, and frying them makes the texture so much better.
The outside gets lightly crisp, while the inside stays soft and tender.
If you like this easy sardines recipe, then check out my tuna and potato patties recipe too. They are simple, crispy on the outside, soft inside, and perfect for a quick, budget-friendly dinner.
Check it out now!